Hi everybody, you are welcome to this channel. I am Atanu Betal. In this video lecture we discuss about the topic that for carbon dioxide and water, both carbon dioxide and water have the two polar bonds, both are triatomic molecules. Three atoms are present in both cases. Both are triatomic molecules and have two polar bonds in each cases. This one is polar bond, carbon is del plus and this one is del minus, this one is again del minus. So for this reason these two bonds are polar in nature, and for water oxygen is del minus and hydrogen is del plus. So these two bonds in the two cases of carbon dioxide and water, the two bonds in each cases are polar in nature, but this molecule is non-polar and this molecule is polar and have dipole moment. Have some dipole moment, or you can say mu not equal to 0 here, and here the mu equal to 0, mu indicating the dipole moment value. So dipole moment value for the case of carbon dioxide is 0, and it is a non-polar molecule. It is triatomic, it is also triatomic, but in this case the carbon dioxide is a non-polar with two polar bonds. It is non-polar molecule. So now in this video lecture we discuss about the main reason why this carbon dioxide is a non-polar molecule and this water is a polar molecule. Okay, this molecule is a polar molecule. Look at the difference in the geometry of these two molecules. In this molecular case, the bond angle is 180 degree, that is linear geometry. In this case of carbon dioxide, it has the linear geometry. Here the bond angle between the oxygen, carbon and oxygen is 180 degree. Okay, 180 degree. So as dipole moment is a vector quantity, and for this linear geometry of the carbon dioxide molecule, the dipole moment direction should be from carbon end to the oxygen, and for this case this one the direction of the moment. So this is a linear molecule, linear geometry. So due to the linear geometry, the dipole moment is a vector quantity. Dipole moment is a vector quantity. This molecule have zero dipole moment, and for this reason the molecule has overall no polarity because of its zero dipole moment. Okay, molecule overall has no polarity, but both the individual bonds, carbon oxygen bonds, are polar in nature. But what happens, this molecule is at an angle of 180 degree and have linear geometry, and for this reason dipole moment is a vector quantity, and equal magnitude of dipole moment in opposite direction, equal magnitude of dipole moment in opposite directions, so equal and opposite bond moments cancels. Equal and opposite bond moments present in this case of carbon dioxide molecules which cancel each other, and dipole moment is a vector quantity. Equal and opposite bond moment, this one is operating a bond moment, this one operating equal bond moment but opposite direction, so therefore it has zero dipole moment, and as the result of zero dipole moment this molecule have no polarity. This is a non-polar molecule. But in the case of the water molecule, these have the angle of 104.5 degree, 104.5 degree, and in this case this type of geometry is not present here, V-shape geometry. The geometry is V-shape, and in this case the direction of the dipole moment should be like this one is the direction of the dipole moment, and this one is the direction of the lone pair moment, and the net moment mu net moment in this direction. So overall the dipole moments of these bond moments are added together, bond moment and lone pair moments are added together, and as a result the molecule has overall a dipole moment. And for this reason the water is a polar molecule, and it has a dipole moment. Its dipole moment is non-zero, it is a polar molecule. And carbon dioxide, as here the dipole moment is cancelling each other, therefore the dipole moment is becoming zero for the case of carbon dioxide molecule. So this is the topic of discussions right in this video, that why the carbon dioxide is a polar molecule, and carbon dioxide is a non-polar molecule and water is a polar molecule. This is the complete discussions regarding this topic. I think you understand this topic, that why the carbon dioxide is non-polar and water is a polar substance. So this is very important question in the examination, because of the it is a very good question. So for this reason this one is important question. So thank you for watching these discussions. If you have any question regarding this topic, then you can ask me in the comment section below. If you find this discussions is useful to you, then you can like this discussion and like this video. And if you find this channel is educating you, giving you some educational informations, then you can subscribe this channel.